Our political expert, Paul Rozyki, here to join us this morning to weigh in on this with Mott Community College. Good morning to you.
Good to be here.
Oh, wow. This is on a lot of people's minds right now.
It certainly is. We're getting down towards that crucial deadline for all those tax cuts they talked about toward the end of the summer.
Yeah, first thought, it sounds like justice for a lot of people, but in your opinion, is it?
Well, justice is in the eyes of the beholders.
Yeah.
I mean, clearly, if you're going to balance the budget, you can do it only one of two ways. Either you bring in more revenue, which means you raise taxes on somebody, or you cut spending, and nobody likes to do either one of those kind of things. So we are going to see a loss of some programs that a lot of us tend to like, with less money available there, and possibly, now this could be the real hang-up here, possibly taxes might increase, particularly on those in the upper income categories.
Yeah.
And nobody will be happy with those either, frankly.
Oh, and I was reading that even, you know, with this tax increase, they're saying on the wealthy, but it'll eventually reach all Americans due to the inflation rate. Do you agree with that, or not really?
Well, it won't necessarily cause inflation. I wouldn't think it'll necessarily reach down in that sense. It might have some effect in the longer run, but clearly, if you take a look at the income tax, that tax is paid generally by the higher level incomes. However, other taxes like Social Security and sales tax are often paid disproportionately by lower incomes. So by cutting the income by raising the income tax, it will have a greater effect on the upper income categories.
And only a couple seconds left, but I know that they were talking about cuts in Medicare would happen if this passes, maybe. I know that would be a big deal for this area.
It certainly would. Again, there's a lot of recipients in Michigan and in the mid-Michigan area, and it would have some real impact in the long run. Now, some of those will be delayed a few years down the road, but still, it'll have impact.
All right, Paul, thank you so much.
Good to be here.